Hey, hi everyone. I hope that you all are doing great. And yes, we are here right together. Now, you must be thinking what would be in today's session. So, let me give you an instance that whenever you come across something that is made up of iron, that does remain same even after a year or a couple of years or even more than 3 or 4 years. I guess you must be saying that, ma'am, have to check. Or there might be some of them who might say that, ma'am, it is not going to remain same if it exposed to the external environment. Now, the one that we are going to conclude today is the rusting. Now, what is rusting? So that is going to be the topic of the day. Of course, here you meet your Shishmita Singh, ma'am, and along with me, you are going to find some more and much experienced teachers, amazing teachers right here in the innovative live learning app. Now, in this app, you're going to get what? Like, you must be thinking, what is there? So, here is the game of the bridge course. Now, this course is going to give you a lot of things that you might be amazed of. Let me just show you. So you're going to get the features, different kinds of features, which is going to be in your court. That would be the duration of 1 week. Suppose you want to just experience the learning within 1 week duration. Here you have in the bridge course. Along with this, you are going to get the 3 sessions of maths and 3 sessions of science. Do you understand? 3 math session and 3 science session with the expert teachers. You will be just blown on because in this you're going to get all the term one topics in an innovative manner. Along with this, the one which is quite exclusive now, exclusively, you must be like feeling like a bit privileged because you are going to be getting the personal teacher, the personal tutor, right, for the entire week. Along with this, of course, you must be saying that how we are going to review and everything. So, for that, we do have the homework. You can send us the homework on the app itself. Along with that, we do have the different kinds of tests, whether you might say objective test or subjective test, there it would be. And along with that, we are going to provide you the study material, so no need to matter. Like you are going to get the PDF thing about the study material and how to just achieve all this. Well, you are there with the link. Now, this link is provided right in the description box. So you go there, just click on that and be the part of this bridge course. You can see that already these many students have enrolled, and I must say that in within this 10 to 15 minutes you will find that some more 30 to 35 students would have been added. So please just make it fast so that you can be the prize student of the prime batch. So see you there. Now, of course, let me just introduce myself that here you meet your Shishmita ma'am. And yes, I have done my bachelor's from RINCERT, also have done my master's and try to bag the silver medal. Along with this, I have mentored for like you can say plus 4 more years like that. And you might be saying that how many students were there in these many years? So let me tell you that there are around 35,000 plus more students who have well got through these all Olympiad examination and all. So here I am going to make you aware of the topic that is quite being asked in the certain examination, or you might say certain kind of Olympiad sessions. Now on this, you would be given a situation that you will have to select. Okay, which one will not be in the best condition? Given gold ring, then this is the Iron Man, but it is the plastic toy. Okay, and then we have the iron nail, which is made up of the iron metal. Now, out of these, what do you think that which one will not be in the best condition? What is that? So, among all these three, if you will find out which one is going to be that, come on, comment down below, comment down in the comment box. So here, can you just have a sense that yes, this iron nail may get affected due to certain changes. And what are those changes? What are those factors which are going to be responsible for the change in the iron name, which is going to make it is worse? And what going to be that? So, if you find that the process through which it is undergoing through the process of that that it is making a change from the iron nail, which was quite shiny, now it is getting much more blurred, much more rusted. So now this is going to be known as the process of rusting. So what is rusting? What do you mean by rusting? So in case of the rusting, you will find that the metal iron, when exposed to air containing oxygen and the moisture containing water. Now, when the iron just gets exposed to these two, it is going to result into the rusted iron. It is going to be coated with the rust. So, how does it happen? What are the factors responsible for it? We can say that the air containing the oxygen and the moisture, the water. So, now this is the iron. Right, this is the iron, you can say the nail, and the oxygen is being added, the water is being added. Now it is going to get rusted. And if you see that, what is going to be the appearance of the same iron? After many years, you will find that these brown color, reddish color get appeared. Now, this is called as rust. So, corrosion of iron, when exposed to air and moisture, it is going to form the rust over its surface. And a reddish brown colored powdery substance found on the surface of the iron object is what? It is only the rust. So, you can find the rust on the iron object. Now, what is the process of the rusting? Right in the very first slide, you have got to know that yes, what is going to be it exposed in? So the oxygen from the air. Then of course this is mandatory. Iron should be there because if you replace it by plastic or by some fibers, it is not going to show any effect in case of the rusting. But if you put the iron in, it is going to show the effect. So the oxygen is the factor that is going to be responsible for the process of the rusting in the iron. Along with this, the water. Water is going to be the major factor because the moisture, as it moistens the surface of the nail, it is going to corrode it. Just slowly, slowly, slowly. Gradually, you will see that it gets rusted. So this is going to turn this iron into this rusted iron nail. Now, this is only the process of rusting. So, we find the formula of the rust. What is going to be the formula of the rust? Yes, this is a question asked many of the time, and we get confused. What might be the formula? So, you have to what you have to just do. You have to find out that oxygen formula that is going to be O2 here, the Fe that is going to be the iron, and then the water. Now, these all get reacted, and we get the product as Fe2O3, and along with what? There's going to be the moisture. So it is going to be H2O, Fe2O3, H2O. This is going to be what? This is only the rust. This is only the rust. So you have got an idea that how the rust is formed. Now there are going to be supporters of the rust. Like yes, you have to get rusted. That kind of. Yes, you have to get corroded. So the supporters of the rusting, what are they? So of course, the moisture, the humidity. The more it will be moisture, और अगर मैं आपको बताऊं जहां पे ज्यादा से ज्यादा अगर पानी ज्यादा से ज्यादा ह्यूमिडिटी ज्यादा से ज्यादा अगर आपको वहां पे ह्यूमिडिटी मिले तो वहां पे क्या होने लगेगा रस्टिंग ज्यादा होने लगेगा सिमिलरली अगर ऑक्सीजन की बात करें अगर आयन को हम एक्सपोज कर दे बाहर then what is going to happen then also what will be happening there will be formation of the rust on the iron same goes with the another factor that is the salt. Now the salt plays a major role. Wherever there is going to be salty condition, then the rusting will occur more faster. Right? So these are going to be the factors of the rusting. So if the moisture is increased, so the rusting will increase, directly proportional. Oxygen will increase in that area, the rusting will be increased. So if you can say that, if at all, what about the salt? So if there is salty condition, so we can say that rusting will also occur at a faster rate. So these all are directly proportional. Now, very practical example. What is going to be the very practical example? The coastal beaches, right? Just nearby the coastal beaches, you will find the bridges, right? Now, those bridges are majorly made up of iron. So, what do you think? That iron remains the same? No, due to the effect of the salt concentration over there, it might get rusted priorly at a faster rate. So, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Faster rate पे rusting होने लगेगी. So, if you are given two different companies, let's suppose two different companies are there and they are building the iron bridges, and one is in Delhi and one is in Chennai near to the marine beach. So which bridge will rust faster? So Chennai bridge or the Delhi bridge? What do you think that which is going to get rusted faster? The one which is nearby the coastal areas, right? So in this case, which one is going to be the answer? The Chennai bridge will get rusted at a faster rate, right? As compared to the Delhi bridges. Now, if you have seen the rusting all way, so we need to prevent it because that is not going to be the useful changes, the changes in the favor. That is the change which we don't require. So in that case, we need to prevent it. And for the prevention, we have these all processes, these kind of like painting, oiling, galvanizing, and alloying. So these all are going to be the one which is going to be preventing the rusting process. Now, if you want to know all of these, we do have a full-fledged app for this. So you can be here in the live interacting app, and this is going to be one of the most innovating factor in your life by attending this app. And how? Yes, you're going to get the bridge course, and that is going to start right from Monday. So if you are here, you're going to get all these, whether it be timing. So timing, you're there like after 6:50 p.m. You're right there for 1 week, and along with this, you're going to get 3 sessions of the maths and 3 sessions of the science, and then of course the magical personal teacher for the entire week. Along with this, the homework would be given, and then the PDFs of whatever is being taught that will be provided to you along with this different kinds of tests right there for the practice. And guess what is the way to enter into? You can just, and you can see actually there are almost 25 to 30 people have already enrolled, so you can just click on this link and be the part of this bridge course right here. And there is going to be very fascinating things for you. Who doesn't want these gifts, and that too without money? Definitely you can get. So you have to just one thing, you have to do one thing, that is you have to just learn through the app and through the best teachers. Learn and earn. How you can earn? You can earn the coins, what we will be providing to you. So here you can get all these gifts right at your home. This will be delivered to your home. And you know what is the price of this bridge course? You won't be feeling that, yes, this is a price. Yes, this is just 29 rupees, just at 29 rupees. So I want to see you there, and I will be seeing you there, right? So if you have liked this session, do hit the like button, share it with your friends and families, and yes, do subscribe.